pre-order guide. If Grand Theft Auto V6 GTA 6 is available for pre-order in your region, you can reserve your copy through the PlayStation Store or on your PS5. Rockstar has confirmed that GTA 6 launches on November 19th, 2026 for PlayStation 5, and pre-orders are available through the PlayStation Store and participating retailers. Steps to pre-order GTA 6 on PS5. 1. Turn on your PS5, start your PlayStation 5, and make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in to your PlayStation Network account. 2. Open the PlayStation Store. From the PS5 home screen, launch the PlayStation Store. 3. Search for GTA 6. Use the search function and type Grand Theft Auto V6 or GTA 6. 4. Open the game page. Select the official GTA 6 game listing from the search results. 5. Choose your edition. If multiple editions are available, select the version you want to purchase, such as the Standard Edition or Ultimate Edition. 6. Select Pre-order. Click the pre-order button on the game's store page. 7. Complete payment. Choose your preferred payment method and confirm the purchase. 8. Wait for download availability. Once the pre-order is completed, GTA 6 will be added to your library. The game will automatically become available for preload before launch, allowing you to download it ahead of release day. How to check if your pre-order was successful. 1. Open Game Library on PS5. 2. Locate Grand Theft Auto V6. 3. Verify that the game displays a pre-order status and release countdown. Tips before pre-ordering. Ensure you have enough storage space available on your PS5. Verify your payment method before placing the order. Enable automatic downloads so the game preloads when available. Check for any pre-order bonuses included with your selected edition. SEO title.